welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying out this palette. I have dipped into it, but I have not done a first impressions kind of review on it. So this is the Revolution Tammi X Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. It is very bright, it is very vibrant. So let me show you. Now this palette to most people might be a little bit intimidating just because it's a very bright and vibrant color palette. You do have a lot of mattes, then they include some really nice shimmers at the top. But this is great to keep as a makeup artist. It's great because you never know what kind of colors you're gonna need to create a look, but it's also great for an everyday kind of person because if you don't have a lot of makeup but the odd time you wanna add a pop of color or a little bit of shimmer, this is a great affordable option for you that will give you a wide variety of colors to work with. So I'm going to create some sort of look. It's going to be vibrant, okay? It's going to be a vibrant look. If you would like to see, please keep watching. Okay, first up, I'm using my Benefit Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer. Just a little bit. I already have like a lot of powder all over my eyelid. Okay, first up, I'm taking a Smashbox shadow blending brush. Going to dip into the yellow. Yellow will be my transition shade today. I might regret this. I have not, honestly, the only colors I've tried in this palette is black, and I think this pink and the orange. Everything else, though, I have not tried. So this is a first for me. Let's see how pigmented this is. It is pigmented. Okay. I'm also taking a little bit of this yellow as well and running it down this way into the corner of my eye. I don't always do this with shadow, but I feel like because this is going to be more of a fun look, I'm going to do it. So that first color I just used was called Jus Vert. Jus Vert. And then we're going to go in with this guy here, which is called Girlies, which is this really nice purple shade. I'm going to dip into that. Taking a Dermablend, this is a flat brush. I'm going to first push this purple on the outer portion of my eye. Just packing it on first. Taking it to the crease, but not any higher right now. Then I'm gonna go with the Makeup Geek Soft Dome blending brush. It's a little bit more tapered. Pick up the same color again on this brush. But now I'm going to really blend it so we don't have this harsh line happening. So to help blend this color out, I'm going to be picking up this purple shade here called Moss. A little bit lighter. You can also, if you want, dip a little bit into the yellow as well to help everything kind of blend together. And this will just kind of help soften the edges. Now, if you lose some of the vibrancy while blending, it's doing a pretty good job though. It's not disappearing totally. If you do lose some of that vibrancy, go back in with that color again, the darker purple, brighter shade, and then just pack it on one more time after you kind of blended everything out and you have the shape that you want. So we'll just go back in with that purple color. Just really pack that on. Okay, so next up I'm taking this tiny little brush. I don't even know where it's from. I'm gonna take some Smashbox setting spray just to wet the brush a bit. So we're dipping into Calypso, which is a lime green shimmer. Okay, well, this is really pigmented and actually really pretty. So I'm gonna dip into that, bring it about this far, because I'm gonna try the purple sparkle halfway through. So again, we're gonna repeat the step. I'm also going to take a little bit of that green and put it right in the very corners of our eye. Now I'm dipping into Soka. I'm gonna attach it to our lime. This is just performing beautifully. So I'm attaching this purple to our lime green color. Oh, this is stunning. This is beautiful. This would be nice on like an everyday kind of purple eye. If you did like more of like a purpley smoky eye and then added this shimmer right to the center of the eye to give it a pop. It would be beautiful mixed in with blue eyeshadow as well. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna wanna fan it out into that purple. You don't wanna lose the purple, so you don't want shimmer going all the way over. You still want that darker purple on the outside. If you do lose a little bit of the vibrancy, you can go back in again, pat some more in. But this, when you add the purple, you don't just have a harsh contrast between green and purple. So it looks really nice. I'm impressed, okay? I'm impressed. So for underneath the lash line, I'm gonna go into the yellow plus the orange. So we're gonna do a little bit of that first. Just gonna run it. This will just create a little bit of warmth underneath the eye rather than going in straight with the purple. I'm gonna put that in first. Now I'm taking the vibrant purple shade, which is good in here. I'm gonna add that to the very corner to connect to the outer side. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of that purple shade, the sparkly one again. I'm just gonna run it right after the green. Okay, next I'm going in with the liner from Revlon. It's a So Fierce, a vinyl liner in Righteous Rum. I'm gonna take some of that, put it in the waterline. Personally, I would have used more of like a purple color, but I don't own one like a vibrant purple eyeliner. I don't own anything fun. All my eyeliners are like, they're more, you know, everyday kind of eyeliners. Going to curl my eyelashes, so we're gonna do that. This is the Shiseido Lash Curler. It's amazing. I'm gonna add this to the upper lash line as well in the waterline. I'm gonna add some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara, so we're gonna use that. A light coat because I'm gonna add fake eyelashes, so I'm going in very lightly with this. And then for the bottom, we're gonna go in with the Annabelle Skinny Mascara, so we're gonna use that. Next, I'm using these beautiful faux mink eyelashes. They're by the brand Sali Lashes and they're in the style Captivating. These are so pretty. And the reason why I'm not going to apply an eyeliner today is because these guys have a nice kind of thick black band. So you don't really need an eyeliner. You can just use the band as the eyeliner. So we're gonna apply those. So as I'm looking at myself, I look a little bit washed out. I don't know if it's the lights, but I feel like I need a little bit more peach on my cheek to match in with the eye. So I'm gonna go in with this MAC color in Ripe for Love. I love this blush. So we're gonna go in with a little bit more of a peach cheek. Just to tie the whole look a little bit more in together. Okay, so this is my finished look. I'm gonna call it the Tropical Carnival look. That's what I'm going with. Highly suggest this palette. It's amazing. So the colors in here are true to color, very vibrant, very pigmented. The shimmers are amazing. Add a little bit of setting spray. They're so vibrant. Everything goes on true to color. If you pack it on, you really get the color payoff. I love how they include a huge mirror. I love the packaging on this. It's very durable. Obviously, this is not a shadow palette you're gonna reach for every single day, but you can reach for this and add a little bit of color now and then to your eye. So even if you created more of like a neutral eyeshadow look and you really wanted to add some pops of color, go in with the copper, even go in with the yellow in the inner corner. The purple would be really nice too, just to lay down as like an overlay. Really, really beautiful. I honestly highly recommend this palette. It's awesome. Oh, also, if you're looking for this in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart now sells Revolution, okay? They sell it. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Stay healthy, stay safe.